Hello friend, in this video we are going to watch more than 170 top adenium varieties. Do not miss to watch any variety because I have selected most beautiful varieties today. So let's watch them very quickly. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you can watch every videos. Plant lovers are always looking for unique flowering plant to grow. Adenium is the answer. These East African and Arabian natives are wonderful in interior container garden. Adenium is a genus of flowering plants in the family Apocynaceae. Desert rose is a slow-growing succulent plant. All succulent plants have water storage system, be it leaves, stems or roots. In desert rose, the stem swells to conserve moisture for times of drought. Adeniums come in many beautiful colors. Watch the video till the end so that you can watch the topmost colors today. In a previous video, I have shared the beautiful tips to care adenium plants perfectly. You can find the link of the video in the description. And in this video, I am repeating the tips very shortly so that the video will be more useful. Adeniums prefer full sun location. These plants bloom nicely if they get enough sunlight. Adenium's soil should be well drained. A well drained succulent mix with an ideal pH around 6, slightly acidic. Water the plant regularly during spring and summer, then cut back when the plant is dormant during fall and winter. Fertilize during spring and summer with controlled release fertilizer or liquid fertilizer. Bone meal is a phosphorus rich fertilizer which is best for adeniums. Phosphorus encourages the plant blooming nicely. Keep the temperature at least 50 degree Fahrenheit at all times. Plants need repotting every 2 years, preferably in mid-spring. Poorly drained soil can easily cause the plant to rot and die. The plant will be blooming nicely if the soil is well drained. In the ground, desert rose prefers rich, slightly alkaline soil. I repeat one point, desert rose requires plenty of sunlight and lack of light may be the reason for plants not blooming. Feed an outdoor plant 2 to 3 times during spring and summer using balanced water-soluble fertilizer. Feed indoor adeniums every week during spring and summer using a water soluble fertilizer. They typically bloom for several weeks throughout spring and summer. But some new and improved cultivars may bloom year round. Beautiful single petal variety. Desert rose plants may not produce blooms for several months, but if the plant is healthy and growing conditions are right, it will eventually produce blooms. Use a potting mix that drains well and make sure the container should have drainage hole in the bottom. We should keep it in mind while handling the plant. Adenium's sap is poisonous. If you get sap on yourself while handling the plant, wash your hands immediately. I want to repeat a very important point. One thing that will kill these plants quickly is improper watering. Keep the soil moderately moist in spring and summer, but reduce watering in fall and winter when the plant is dormant. The color is very sweet. The flowers are very attractive. Adenium is widely developed because it has attractive tree shapes and bonsai shapes. The new plant has started blooming. It's a beautiful bonsai. Adeniums are famous for their colorful flowers. The color is very nice. The petals are very attractive. This plant is blooming nicely. I have selected both multi-petal and single petal varieties today. Very beautiful white variety. Adenium is a very good bonsai plant. You can watch the beautiful process to make perfect adenium bonsai. In a video I have demonstrated how to make it. You can watch the video. You will find the link of the video in the description. This plant can tolerate very dry condition. It's a beautiful red variety. This plant is blooming good. Single petal white variety. Adenium is grown as house plant. This plant can be grown for many years in a pot. The color is very sweet. Very attractive single petal variety. Another beautiful variety. I hope you also think all the varieties are very beautiful. If you are new in this channel, subscribe to this channel clicking the subscribe button to never miss a video.